By the end of this video, your designs will start looking like this and stop looking like this. The number one mistake I see new designers make all the time is that they don't use white space to their advantage. Let me show you what I mean. Let's look at this landing page. Pretty neat, right? The fonts are great, the text is easily readable, the buttons are spaced out. Let's see how we can make this 10 times better just by adjusting some white space. Let's take the nav, the hero section, the buttons, and the testimonial card and increase the padding a little bit. It's already looking much better. Let's take this a step further and increase the gap between the headline and the testimonial card and in between the two buttons. There it is. It's 10 times better and all we did was adjust some white space. So now you might be asking yourself, when do I know the white space is enough? Start with your gut feeling, then create two variations, one with less white space and one with more white space. Look at which feels better, then select that one and repeat the process. Bonus tip. Start with a large amount of white space and then decrease it as needed instead of starting with a small amount of white space and increasing it as needed. This way, you will be less likely to create claustrophobic designs. If you'd like to see more content like this, subscribe. Thanks for watching.